Prove that the line segments joining the midpoints of the diagonals of a trapezium is parallel to both its parallel sides and is equal to half the difference of the lengths of those parallel sides. ट्रापेजियम ड्रॉ करो. अब वो बोल रहा है midpoints of the diagonals of trapezium. So draw diagonals. Name the trapezium A, B, C, D. Let the midpoints of the diagonals be X and Y. उसके बाद वो बोल रहा है line segments joining the midpoints. So join X, Y. And we have to prove that X, Y is parallel to AB is parallel to DC. Also, XY is equal to half the difference of the length of those parallel sides. So we have to prove that XY is equal to half of AB minus DC. This we have to prove. तो इसके लिए कंस्ट्रक्शन हम करेंगे डी से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है which passes through point X and joins AB at point से E. अब हमको ये प्रूव करना है कि triangle AXE is congruent to triangle CXD. ये कैसे प्रूव होगा? Angle, let these angles be angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. And this is angle 5 and this be angle 6. So angle 5 is equal to angle 6. These are vertically opposite angles. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. They are alternate interior angles as AE is parallel to DC. AX is equal to CX as X is midpoint of AC. So by ASA congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. दो triangles congruent हो गए, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि by CPCT rule, DX is equal to EX. This implies that X is midpoint of DE. Also, AE is equal to DC. So let this be 1, equation 1, equation 2 in triangle DEB. X and Y are midpoints of DE and DB respectively. So by midpoint theorem, XY is parallel to EB and XY is equal to half of EB. So let this equation be equation 3. So AB minus DC can be written as this is from here to here it is AB. DC is equal to AE. So in place of DC I can write AE. AB minus AE. So AB minus AE, if I subtract AE from AB, I'll get EB. That is EB is from here to here. So this is equal to EB. From equation 3, we get EB is equal to 2 times XY. So now our equation becomes AB minus DC is equal to 2 times XY. Therefore, XY is equal to 1 by 2 AB minus DC. Hence, proved.